Alright everybody, we're back out here. Sunday morning. 17 degrees. About 3 to 5 mile an hour wind, so it's probably about 12. A late start to the day. It's almost 9:45 already. Stopped to pick up our caffeinated hand warmers. We're gonna go see what we can turn up today, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Snow-covered pond. Freezing over. It's cold today. So pretty. Life is good, y'all. Alright, you guys. I made our first find in the ground. I just had to stop and show y'all this tree. It looks like it's got some pretty big balls. Weird, huh? Kind of huge growth knots on it or something like that. It caught my attention, so I came over to it. Just outside of the rock wall over here. Let's see if I can't find our metal detector. We'll go see our find. I just wanted to show you guys this tree. Bizarre. It's cool though. Some kind of growth. I don't know what that's about. Anyway, let's go find the garret on the floor over here. I'll show you the first find. Here we are, baby. I'd say that's what? Finger's length down, maybe 3 or 4 inches. These ones are always tough for me to dig because the signal bounces around so much. I always just assume they're hot rocks. I guess that's a learning lesson. You gotta dig them all, right? You never know, you might just get lucky. Scanned the hole a few times. I don't think the rest of it's here, so we're gonna take a little stroll down this way. If you guys can make that rock wall out. It goes way, way, way back. It's a new area I'm exploring today. So, it's a good sign. First find right here. Thank you, tree. Alright, y'all, we are deep, deep, deep out here in the woods. Apparently, we're not the only ones that come out there. If you guys can see that tree right there, some climbing sticks going up it. Going to a tree stand up there. Somebody comes out here with their bow and hunts. I see a little string. Pull their bow and arrow up. And sit there and wait for the deer. Good location, actually. A bottleneck coming from the valley down there. Only one way up this hillside. For an animal, I mean, easily. Creature's a habit, so. I'm gonna get away from this guy's stand. It's snowing, so I don't know I've been here. Alright, you guys, still out here exploring. Caught my eye from off in the distance. Looks like it's really old, actually. A real old fire pit right against this rock. That's cool. I'm gonna swing my machine over here and see if anything pops up. That's neat. It's gotta be really old. Those rocks have been there for a long, long time. Alright, you guys. Couple, probably 4 inches down, I'd say. Thought it was going to be a shotgun shell. My 645th one of the day. It's ringing up really low. The 50s. 52, 58. Sometimes it jump up into the 60s. Looks like it's gonna be a nice button though. That's cool. Clean it up, show you guys what it looks like. Alright, here she is cleaned up. Let's see if we can get it in the light. There we go. No fancy on it. Still got a shank though. Alright, you guys. About 5 inches down. Scored this. Not 100% sure what this is. It's got 2 holes in it. A little bit of fancy on the top. Getting some better light for you. It's getting dark out. It's kind of hard to see it. Here we go. At first I thought it was the top of like maybe a door handle or something, but that piece down at the bottom doesn't look broken off. Still a cool find. Don't know what it is, but awesome. See what else we can find before it gets dark, guys. Alright, you guys, that other hole's right there. About 10 yards away. Already with another find. This site is awesome. I don't think this one's ever been hit before. It's a button. Awesome button, too. I love it when they still have the shanks on them. See if I can't get it to focus. Come on, camera. Wake up. There we go. It's a little better. It's the back of it. Do I see anything fancy on there? I don't. Double check, right? Good little rubber. There might be something on there. Have to wait till it dries out. Can't really get a good look at it, but a little fancy on there somewhere. We'll check it out later. Alright, you guys. It's just about dark now, so made our way back to this old tree here. Gonna call it a day and go home. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can catch all the new videos. If you've been with the channel, I appreciate it. Make sure you press the like button. Leave your comments below. I'll see you guys on the next hunt. Till then, hunt happy.